Hello Year 8, this is a video just to help you navigate through the Firefly pages in the Science faculty. So if I just start off by going to the Year 8 Science page, you can get that on your resources and secondary. So this is the front page for Year 8, this is your first place you come to. Bookmark this page, this is where you'll find out when the next test is, so the next one's 5th of November. Or the week commencing the 5th of November. So check this page here to find out when your test is. Now here's all the units. We've just had atoms and elements. Now we're going to go on to 8K because it says 8K light and sound here. So we've got 8K light. Just have a look at some of the resources available for you in each of these. On the first page of each unit you'll get a little checklist of all the stuff that is being taught for that unit and stuff that might be assessed in the test at the end. I've got a few Quizlet activities, a keyword matchup and a keyword test here for you, just so you get to grips with all the keywords there. And then we'll move on just to the lesson resources and some challenge pages here. So for those of you who just want to push yourself, learn a little bit more about light or whatever unit you're doing, here's the extra reading. You can go into the library, get some books out and just look at some interesting topics in light that we might not students will be able to access in the challenge page. So I go back to the light. Back to the teaching lessons series. So if you miss a lesson, you can click on one of these and find out exactly what it is that you have missed. There'll be lots and lots of resources in here, all the activities that teachers might use in class as well. And down the bottom of each page is a little extend section with a homework section at the end. And lots of activities to keep you busy. Going back then, when you do get to the test, you finish the unit and you think, oh, I need to revise, practice some questions before the test and look at the keywords again. So we've got a review page with some videos, quizzes, keyword tests, practice tests here with mark schemes as well, so you can mark yourself and test yourself quizzes. So loads of stuff there, resources that you can use to test yourself before each assessment. So I hope that's okay.